Hi allesammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to use Norwegian as a hairdresser in Norway. When you step into a Norwegian hair salon, embracing the local language can enhance your experience. Here's how to navigate the conversation from start to finish. Entering the salon, begin with a warm greeting. Hi, 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 hi. God dag, god dag, god dag, good day. Jeg heter navn, og jeg har en time. Jeg heter navn, og jeg har en time. Jeg heter navn, og jeg har en time. My name is name, and I have an appointment. If you haven't made a prior appointment, you can say, jeg ønsker å bestille en time. Jeg ønsker å bestille en time. Jeg ønsker å bestille en time. I would like to book an appointment. Describing your desired haircut. Be clear about the hairstyle you want. Jeg vil gjerne klippe meg kort. Jeg vil gjerne klippe meg kort. Jeg vil gjerne klippe meg kort. I would like a short haircut. Jeg vil gjerne farge håret. Jeg vil gjerne farge håret. Jeg vil gjerne farge håret. I would like to color my hair. Kan du anbefale en frisyre? Kan du anbefale en frisyre? Kan du anbefale en frisyre? Can you recommend a hairstyle? During the service, communicate with your stylist during the service. Hvordan ser det ut? Hvordan ser det ut? Hvordan ser det ut? How does it look? Kan du klippe litt mer her? Kan du klippe litt mer her? Kan du klippe litt mer her? Can you cut a bit more here? Det er for langt. Det er for langt. Det er for kort. Det er for kort. So det er for kort. It's too short. Or det er for langt. It's too long. Jeg liker det slik. Jeg liker det slik. Jeg liker det slik. I like it this way. Feedback. If you're pleased with your haircut, you can say, jeg liker det veldig godt, takk. Jeg liker det veldig godt, takk. Jeg liker det veldig godt, takk. I really like it, thank you. Du gjorde en god jobb. Du gjorde en god jobb. Du gjorde en god jobb. You did a great job. If the result wasn't as expected, communicate it politely. Dette er ikke hva jeg forventet. Kan vi fikse det? Dette er ikke hva jeg forventet. Kan vi fikse det? Dette er ikke hva jeg forventet. Kan vi fikse det? This isn't what I was expecting. Can we fix it? Concluding the visit. When your haircut is complete and it's time to leave, you can say, takk for hjelpen. Ha en fin dag. Takk for hjelpen. Ha en fin dag. Takk for hjelpen. Ha en fin dag. Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. Being courteous and attempting to speak Norwegian will be appreciated, even if your efforts aren't perfect. It's all part of the fun and respectful culture exchange. Do you want to take more Norwegian classes? We are offering Norwegian classes at all levels, A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. You can register for classes in Classroom online. You can register at nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no. Do you have a friend that wants to learn Norwegian? We are now offering a free referral program where if your friend starts learning Norwegian at the NLS Norwegian Language School, you will get $150 US dollars, and your friend will also get $100 US dollar. So if you're interested in the referral program, you can go to our website NLS Norwegian NO, nlsnorwegian.no. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the NLS Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. Patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you learn from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chats, transcripts, early access to new content, one-on-one private classes, Discord access, etc. for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.